Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, do you still remember this video? Yakavuyokazi Ncweni noZonzo. So this video was just trending, and as you can see, it was posted by Uvuyokazi Ncweni. They were at the club kissing, then girl posted the video on her Instagram stories. And then I think in the morning she realized that she was trending and stuff, and then she just deleted the video. She quickly removed it. And then she came onto social media to say that she was not the one who posted the video. The video was taken without her consent, while she was just laughing and looking at the camera, smiling, sana. And then she wants us to believe that it was taken without her consent. So now Ugel is trending again because she trended and then we forgot about it. But now Zonzo's girlfriend, the guy that she was kissing, his girlfriend, the one that is wearing a green upper in the picture, went on a podcast sana to expose Uvuyokazi. Because why? Pella, she also wants to trend. I feel like this girl Nai, she also wants to trend because this thing was just forgotten about. We just forgot about it and moved on with our lives. So girl went on a podcast and talked and said that Uvuyokazi was actually a one night stand to Uzonzo. Remember Uvuyokazi, when she responded about the video and everything, she said she doesn't know this guy. She met the guy there and then they just vibed and took pictures only. She doesn't know this guy, but the girlfriend went on a podcast and started exposing what happened. So the girlfriend said that Uvuyokazi was booked, Sana was booked. So this thing, it was basically a hookup nje kahle kahle. So kuthiwa girl, they booked a plane ticket for her, and then she was fetched from the airport, Sana, booked a hotel room, and then obviously they went to the club and came back and slept together, and did the things that need to be done. So girl was actually a one night stand yakazonzo. I don't know how it came about ke ukuthi aze post, or maybe yena Uvuyokazi, in her mind she thought that they were dating, man, because of the soft life. When you are sometimes you are not used to those guys, you will feel like you are the only girl in the world, phela sana. Your plane is booked, you are taken to nice hotels, you are taken to nice clubs, and you just point what you want to drink. So maybe Vuyokazi, in her mind, she thought that, what, this person can be my guy. This person, I just love him or like him. But when she saw Gucci, people were judging her after posting the video, people were saying all sorts of bad things about this guy. Maybe Vuyokazi was just like, yo, this is a mess. Kanti this guy Unjena, shooting, I'm not the only girl in the world. And then yes, she started to, you know, deny him, denying knowing him, or things like that. We don't know, guys. We don't know. Please share your comments in the comment section down below. What do you think really happened? Because Sana, naye mos Uzonzo, after the video was posted by Uvuyokazi, he also started admitting on his stories kuma Instagram. Yes, I love her. Yes, what, her body is tea, this and that. Hey, kuningi sana, kuningi, but nje, I have to give it to Ugel. I really applaud Zonzo's girlfriend to go on a podcast sana and expose another girl. Instead of exposing your boyfriend that was cheating on you, you go on a podcast to say that, no, I forgave my cheating boyfriend publicly. So, like, ifamily yakho ithini mayibhekela ama-video? What is your family saying? Like, why are they not intervening in this thing? Because this has gone too far. That's why I'm saying that I feel like this girl just wanted to trend. She just wants to trend, nje. And she is so gorgeous, but I don't know what she sees in that guy. Like, I really don't know. Is that guy really that money, guys? Because I don't know. And I really don't know. And Kutwa girl is a vet graduate. You would think ukuthi they know how to think better. But hey, Sana, when it comes to love, akuna boso. Men will dribble you with that degree, kuningi sana, but nje I don't know, man. She is really brave to just go on a podcast and just be there sharing the dirty laundry sana. Your man slept with someone else and you forgave them and you slept with him again. You don't know if they used protection or not. Like Guningi, I was just going to keep quiet. Nje. If I was her, I was just going to keep quiet and forgive my man in peace, sana, because this is just pure embarrassment. She was thinking Guti she was embarrassing of you guys, but she's embarrassing herself nje in this situation.